It's a great pleasure for me and an honor to witness yet another official opening of the national round of the National Schools Moot Court program. I was inspired to Prof here to say it looks like it was only yesterday when we were sitting in front like this, opening the 11th interaction of the program. So we really appreciate. I hope that you have a good stay here in Gauteng and benefit immensely from your interaction amongst yourselves and with the panel of judges. We anticipate exciting and stimulating sessions for oral argument over the next couple of days. The National Schools Moot Court program remains a critical pillar of social cohesion and enrichment initiatives to advocate and raise awareness of human rights and crime against humanity. The program contributes to the human rights education agenda of the basic education sector, implemented in collaboration with the Department of Justice and Constitutional Development, with the generous support from the South African Human Rights Commission and a partnership with the University of Pretoria. The human rights education agenda aims to instill the South African constitutional values and principles which are embedded to the United Nations Convention on Human Rights and War Against Humanity and another convention on the rights of the child. South Africa, as a signatory to the United Nations Conventions, subscribed to the International Court of Justice. And it's as lawyers will certainly know about the International Court of Justice. No? You know it. Where is it? Where is it located? I don't want teachers to respond. Where is it located? At The Hague. Where is The Hague? Netherlands. I'm talking to the learned friends. Now I can proudly call you learned friends. So we remain committed to its rules and positionality as South Africa. Our commitment and alignment with the International Court of Justice is not mere window dressing. You will recall the recent action taken by South African government to approach that court in reality. We have seen that on television. Our government approached the International Court of Justice to seek intervention against the government of Israel. Not judging, but seeking intervention, like let the court intervene about what is happening in Palestine. Given our constitutional stance on violence and discrimination against women and children, we understand what is happening in those parts of the world as genocide and war against humanity. We appreciate the South African legal team, which represented our country at the International Court of Justice. Is there anyone who can give me two key people who represented us from law? Two key people, they represented us. One to join the churches, one as an advocate. I'm just giving you. Teachers follow. Hence, I want to see if you are teaching our children. I said their scope is increasing. Yes, can advocate, Buga, I told you. Who's the judge? Who was the judge? Yes, Ken? Judge, don't just say no, Judge Dikam Musaneke. Can we give both gentlemen a very recognition? It shows that South Africa is recognized internationally. We made a mark where we stepped our foot in affairs. That's why we have these two gentlemen. Would like to recognize and acknowledge one of the South African legal team members, Advocate Tembeka Ntukaitobi, who remains selflessly committed towards capacitating and preparing our learners for the International Schools Moot Court competition after this national house. Those of you who reach the peak, you'll interact with him, you'll see him live. We acknowledge Judge Dikgang Moseneke, who is currently occupying an ad hoc bench of judges in the International Court of Justice. It means there is something we are doing right as a country. If we are given so much recognition in the global community, while serving as the Constitutional Court with other Constitutional Court judges, Judge Moseneke has played a pivotal role in supporting and elevating the status of the National Schools Moot Court program. Because of their efforts, the finals are always held inside the actual constitutional courts, in front of a real panel of judges, as we would have it on Sunday this week. We witnessed that. On 10 May 1994, during the inaugural speech, the late former President Nelson Mandela said, never again shall it be that this beautiful land again experience oppression of one by another. It is against this background that we advocate and raise awareness against any war, oppression, injustice, or crime on any human being. Over the last couple of years, I have been collaborating with the then Deputy Minister from other departments, working hard to condemn bullying and violence in schools. Violence and bullying undermine the constitutionality of safe and inclusive society and place our learners and educators under very inhumane circumstances.